Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to harvest most of my peas. I'll harvest some of them, as you can see, to look pretty amazing and big and beautiful. So these are the variety called peas ambassador, and these are going to be harvested when they are like they're not, snack pea, sugar snack pea that you eat when they're a little bit thin, and they do not have, the sugar snap pea do not have the bigger peas inside. So these peas have bigger peas inside, so these have to be harvested when they are like this. So I'm going to harvest most of them, and the thinner ones I'm going to just leave for them to ripen for more days. And let's just begin to harvest. So it's very easy. Let me just show you one of them. As you can see, I've got these 3 pea like that. So what you do when you harvest is just like that. Take it with your hand. You can use, what you call it, scissors. Look, a spider. So I may use just my a spider. Look there. I may use my gloves because I don't want to touch spiders. I don't know if they are, venomous or not, because I don't like spiders on my hand. But I will just, harvest them like that. I'm gonna just bring my gloves. So on this other side we have more peas which I'm going to harvest now. So this is what I harvest from the other side. There's still more. I need to wait for them to be bigger. So there are more on this side which are big, so let me just harvest those. harvested ones that I could harvest because the other ones aren't ripe yet. As you can see, lovely full basket of peas, looking really beautiful. And let me just give you update on my nasturtium hedge. Basically, this is the nasturtium hedge, which I call a hedge because look at those beautiful flowers of the Alaska mixed. And this is the Empress of India, and those are the Tom Tom, those three. The carrots are sprouting as well as the radishes, and the turnips are looking awesome as well. I really hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you later in the next video. Bye.